I just almost fucking died. Fucking something fell off the back of someone's fucking truck. Shit. Probably just saw me blow out a tire on the highway, and now I'm home. Barely made it. But the 30-year-old spare that has dry rot in it made it home. So, besides the dirty hands, Chevy did me good. Well, GMC. But I'll be making a better video introducing this, but it's a 2019 SSR 125. It's a lot different than the other years. I've had a lot of these. I like this one. 2019 SSR test drive. Here we go. Yep, let's do it. No, you get in front. Let's go. Back at me, baby. Stop. Doing pretty good. That way. When we go this way, I want you to go back into the house. Okay? All right. Let's go. Head out. Too many kids out. All right, you guys just saw me get off of this thing. I was just riding with my kiddo, and this is the 2019 125 SSR. A couple of things that I personally know that's different from the previous years they've built these. Tires are different. These forks are a little bit bigger, I'm pretty sure. The bars are the same. The clutch lever brake's the same. The gas tank's the same. The seat's the same. The plastics are a lot different. As you can see with the curve right there, how far this comes out into a point. And also they finally cut the plastic around the exhaust so it doesn't melt. So yeah, little stuff like that. And I'm also not sure if that's a bigger carb or if that air filter is just throwing off like what it looks like. But it's 4-speed clutch and it's not too bad. I do not have my stump pegs on it yet, so after I get those, we'll actually have a proper street ride without any kiddos. And yeah, so I will be getting back into riding and making videos. I just posted one, and this is a back-to-back upload today, but I'm gonna hope to try to get on like a weekly thing or twice a week, but we'll see. But thanks for watching. Hope you like the new bike, and stay tuned for the street ride on this thing because she's gonna be a wheelie monster just like any other one I had. See you in the next one.